Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So I am super excited. So is Onyx, apparently. Say hi. Okay, so I just started taking, or I just signed up for an online course to learn crystal healing online. So really excited to take it. I'm taking it through Hay House, Louise Hay. So I'm going to be taking it through there with Heather. I'm going to say her name right. Askinosie. I'm going to cream her last name. I'm so sorry. But so I'm really excited. And then I got an email saying that Heather was gifting us through Energy Muse the crystals that we were going to need to take the class. All we needed to do was pay the shipping. So super excited. I made sure I hopped on that and I received the crystals today. And I have to tell you, this is not what I was expecting. So much more than what I was expecting. Take a look. I'm so excited. So it came with a little card, a little course card. So it says the Crystal Healing Course, explains about the course, explains about what crystals are included. So a selenite crystal, black kyanite, rose quartz touchstone, clear quartz point, and an amethyst touchstone. And then how to use your crystals. So a really cool explanation there. And then the crystals came so beautifully packed in here. And let me tell you, the size is not what I was expecting. They're absolutely gorgeous. So here's the amethyst. How pretty is that? So the amethyst is rejuvenating mind, body, and spirit. So excited to work with that. Clear quartz point. I gotta get it out there. So look how pretty. And I have a lot of clear quartz, but I don't have a point. So this one's clarity, alignment with your higher self. Rose quartz, which is one of my favorite. I'm actually wearing a rose quartz, a tumbled rose quartz. But look at the size of that. Holy cow, guys. Look at that palm stone. I don't have any palm stones, so I'm really excited for these. So rose quartz, healing your heart. I actually have to cleanse these. So after this, I am going to light my sage. I'm going to smudge them. Kyanite. I've never worked with kyanite before. I don't have any kyanite. I do have a ruby and kyanite, but I don't have any kyanite. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? I'm like obsessed. I'm loving this. So kyanite is cutting energy cords. And then I'm super excited for this. One of my favorite stones is selenite, which is kind of odd because I like color. I love color. I love moonstone because of the colors it shows, but I love crystals with color. I love labradorite, but selenite, I love. Onyx likes this too. I love selenite. So I'm really excited for this. I actually have 3 pieces of selenite. I have a sphere. I have a tumble. I have 2 tumbles. So this one is clearing old thoughts and patterns, but look at that. Look at how pretty. And what I love about this is the flatness of it, so you know what I could do. I can actually use the selenite to help charge and cleanse my other crystals. They can lay flat right here. It's nice and flat, so they can go right on top, and I can even cleanse them this way. But sage is definitely my favorite way to cleanse crystals. So I just wanted to show you guys this. These are all from Energy Muse. Energy Muse, thank you so much. Hay House, thank you so much. Heather, I'm really, really excited to learn from this, excited to get going, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.